Hey, buddy. Come. Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Yeah. What are you doing, buddy? Why are you trying to dig up the ground? There's ice right there. I think. Dog. What a silly dog. Wow. Look at him. He's like digging his nose right into the snow. And he likes to lick the snow. Yeah. What are you doing? Why are you trying to get the ice? Oh, Gunner, Bunner. What a silly dog. Jeez. Look. There he goes with a pine cone. Is that... Are you having fun, Gunner? Are you having fun? And he's just tearing it to parts. What a silly dog. Aren't you a silly dog? Hey, Gunner, you a silly dog? What are you doing? This silly dog. Yep, and he destroyed that pine cone. What? What do you want? Wow. What a funny dog.